The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria MAAUN Kano has congratulated Dicko Dankoulodo University Maradi, Niger Republic for successfully organizing the International Scientific Colloquium with the theme Migration, Climate Change, Food Security and Resilience in Sahel. The Secretary General MAAUN Maradi, Salissou Mamadou, who represented the university, made the commendation during the seminar. The symposium was organized to discuss and to exchange ideas on the major challenges undermining the development process and importance of building the resilience of Sahelian communities and ecosystem. The aim of the symposium was to mobilize professors, researchers, PhD candidates, government agencies, extensionists, and communities to support peace building and sustainable development in the Sahel. He noted that the institution, through the collective effort of its management, played a significant role in promoting research and innovation for academic excellence. He also lauded the effort of the university for organizing the conference, which he noted had not come at a better time than now. On behalf of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, I wish to congratulate the university and its management on the successful hosting of the conference, Mamadou said. Director of the university, Professor Mamman Sani, thanked the Minister of Education of Niger, Professor Mamadou Saidou, and other prominent personalities for physically attending the conference.